Why do the grid lines go away when you start recording? Then you can't line yourself up. Hey, what's up everyone, Danny here. I make this video to announce that I'm starting a brand new series on the channel. I already have some recurring series such as the Craigslist ride-alongs, Let's Unbox It Together, and LAN party stories, but most of those revolve around me and not so much you all. Well, I want to make a series now that engages the audience a bit more and incorporates you directly into the channel, so that's what this is going to be about. It's going to be called the Deal Hunters Showcase. There are already a bunch of series out there where people show off their PCs and their rooms and their desk setups, and even one for like mining rigs now. Shout out to Son of a Tech for that one. But I haven't seen one that showcases amazing deals that people find and focuses on pricing. Something like this would fit perfectly with my channel and what it embraces, so that's what we're gonna do. This actually goes really well with my Craigslist ride-along series because, you know, at the end of every pickup, I always say, let me know if you guys picked up anything recent on Craigslist. Let me know if you did pick up anything great on Craigslist, as always. Let me know if you picked up something awesome on Craigslist recently or got some really good deals. Also, let me know what you picked up on Craigslist recently, if you got any great deals. Well, over the course of the last 2 years, from the comments, emails, and tweets I've been getting, it's become pretty clear that people are really proud of the deals that they find and they really enjoy sharing them, just like I do. You've seen the deals that I get. I'm pretty proud of them, but viewers have shared even crazier deals in the comments, some that blow mine out of the water. And the thing is, the comment section does not do some of these deals justice because only a handful of people see them and then they eventually get lost in the sea of other comments. So let's share these deals in an organized way to make it accessible to everyone to see. This way, the deal hunters get a chance to showcase their epic finds, and the viewers get to see the many amazing deals out there and hopefully become motivated to find some for themselves. And as for me, well, I get to do the fun part. I get to bring all this together and basically shout out people and give my input on it. You know, give my 2 cents and talk about things like deal hunting tips if they come up, compare prices against the current market, whatever seems suitable. I'm basically just gonna be the hype man. So this is how we're gonna do it. Shoot me an email to nope.nerdonabudget@gmail.com with Deal Hunters Showcase in the subject line. In the email, please include the following. First, include your name or your username on the internet or whatever you want to go by. Second, include where you're from. Third, have a brief description of your pickup and how much you paid. It doesn't have to be a used deal. You can describe as much or as little of the deal as you want, and I'll incorporate things from this section into the showcase. Like, what did you buy it for, and was it for your main system, or did you buy it for someone else, or are you a flipper for profit? Did anything interesting happen? Did you like drive 5 hours round trip to get it? Did the computer not work when you got home and tried it out? Basically anything you feel you want to share that might make the story more interesting and entertaining. Fourth, include pictures of the pickup. Take the best pictures that you can, try to get good lighting and multiple angles. I'd aim for anywhere between 5 to 8 photos. Also, feel free to include a picture with you with the pickup too if you're not shy. I think it'd be pretty cool to see some of the faces behind the profile pictures that watch and support the channel, but this isn't absolutely necessary. And for the last thing, some form of proof that you actually bought the item. If you got an epic deal from a retailer for like a new item, this is gonna be pretty easy. Just provide the invoice or receipt and that's it. Just don't forget to block out the important information like your address, phone number, credit card info, stuff like that. If you get to black it out or miss something, I'll double check it and I'll do it for you like I do in my own videos so that we don't leak private info out to thousands of viewers. Now for used parts, it's going to be a bit trickier. For this, I'll be looking for any piece of proof that you actually bought the item and didn't just make up some bogus low price just to be on the showcase. This can be a snapshot of the ad when it was up, whether it be Craigslist, OfferUp, Letgo, Mercari, Kijiji, whatever it is. It could be a text message, emails, or DMs back and forth with the seller where it's clear that you actually bought the item. Again, don't forget to black out any important information like phone numbers, names, or emails. And that's it. Once I get enough entries, I'll make the first episode, and if it's a hit and people keep sending stuff in, I'll keep making them, whether they be monthly, bi-weekly, or even weekly. We'll just have to see how much people enjoy it. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up for this video. I'm super excited to finally roll this idea out. I've actually been sitting on it for quite a while. Probably since the beginning of the channel, during the first couple of Craigslist ride-alongs is when this idea popped into my head. I never acted on it though because I was afraid I wouldn't get enough submissions. Because, you know, back then I didn't have as large of a following and viewers as I do now, and I didn't want it to be a failed series that just ended up being discarded because I feel like this has a lot of potential, so I wanted to time it just right. But after 2 years of building up an audience and seeing how much people truly do love sharing their deals, we're gonna make this happen. So if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to get to them. But other than that, I look forward to receiving all your submissions and seeing all the great deals you've gotten. Thank you as always for watching and supporting the channel and supporting what I do. And I'll see you in the comments as well as in the next video. Bye.